it me? Hello everybody. Welcome to our webinar, Secure License Management at the Heart of Embedded Systems and Integrity Protection. And Happy New Year. So I will still wait for some seconds. We have just now exactly 5 o'clock European time, according to my clock, and we have 21 participants online. So it's about half of the registered ones, so maybe wait a few seconds, but latest in 1 minute I will start. So thank you very much for your patience. So yeah, I would like to start. So everybody else who joins later is welcome to join us at a later stage. So again, thank you very much for registering and participating in our webinar about secure license management at the heart of embedded systems and integrity protection. The agenda I will start with an introduction of the speakers. So let me start with Aravind Vanchesan from Frost Sullivan. So he holds a BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, has more than 7 years experience in research and strategic growth consulting, including North American and global engagements. He's industry analyst with Frost Sullivan in the area of digital media, information and communication technologies since 2008. So welcome Aravind, and thanks for giving your insights to our webinar.
Thanks, Oliver. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. So our second speaker is Rüdiger Kügler. He holds a diploma in physics from University Halle and has been working in the IT industry and especially in the areas of IT security since 1995. He's working with Wibu-Systems for about 10 years now as a security expert and VP sales. He contributed to product management and development, built up our consulting and professional services team, and help many customers to benefit in the best way from perfect use of licensing technologies. So welcome, Rüdiger.
Thank you, Oliver, and it's also a pleasure for me to be here.
Okay, and last but not least me, I have founded the company in 1989 together with Marcellus Buchheit. I graduated from University of Karlsruhe in electronics engineering, spent some time in research and development before starting Wibu-Systems. Today I'm CEO and active in standards organizations and business organizations as well. All right, so then I will start with an introduction to Wibu-Systems. The next presentation will be by Rüdiger about a demonstration of our solution. Then Aravind from Frost Sullivan will give us insights to requirements analysis and conclusions from the Frost Sullivan research, and I will then show some use cases, and of course then we will have a questions and answers section and try to answer all your questions that come during the time. So about Wibu-Systems, Wibu-Systems has been founded in 1989 by Marcellus and me. The headquarters is still in Germany in Karlsruhe. We are focused on licensing and protection and security of digital goods. As a technology leader, we hold a lot of international patents of the technology used in our products. Company is ISO certified, of course. The products fulfill many international and national product certifications. According to market research, we are today top 2 vendor in the business of hardware-based protection solutions. And we have a lot of strategic partnerships with universities, with suppliers and customers. Perfection in software, document, access, media protection, that's our motto. And we know that in the security area there is no perfect solution, but we want to try to this solution as close as possible. So use the latest technologies, use the latest encryption and security algorithms, provide perfect, very good support and consulting, and everything else which belongs to that goal to deliver a perfect solution for you. So embedded systems, what is that? So we have so many embedded systems, and this slide shows only a few applications in different industries where you have embedded systems today. So you can imagine, I'm sure, much more applications or applications you are working on in your company where embedded systems do control of your equipment. Why do we think about licensing and protection in embedded systems? So if we are looking to the last study from VDMA published in April last year, it's shown that about 48% of the machine vendors are really affected by piracy of complete machines. The total damage only for the German machine vendors is about 8 billion euro in 2011. If you are looking to Japan, for example, the Japanese Machine Foundation, GMF, has published a study in October 2012, which has shown that the damage, the absolute damage in money in Japan is even 1.8 times higher than in Germany. If you are looking on software only, the BSA study, the last one published in May last year, show a 42% worldwide software piracy rate, and this is about 63 billion US dollars theft in total. Emerging markets with higher rate, established market with lower rate. So piracy is really a big issue in all type of industries. But in embedded systems, in industrial control systems, we have a lot of other threats as well. So not only the piracy and the IP theft, but also security-related things. So the German Federal Office for Information Security has published the top 10 threats. And I don't want to go through all of them, but looking on the first one, unauthorized remote service access, if you see that many remote service is done only with username and password, you can imagine how easy it is to do things that are should not be done. And if you are looking on intrusion of malware using USB sticks, you have a good sample if you are thinking back to Stuxnet in 2011, I think. Yeah. So the source and detailed samples to all of these 10 threats can be found on the website of the Allianz for Cybersecurity of the German authority. I've put the link on the slide, so if you later download the slide, you can have a look at the link and get the full paper from this Federal Office for Information Security. So what we are doing is we are taking care about these 6 challenges. First is piracy reduction, so we have seen the reason why it's necessary. Second is protecting intellectual property, so make it more hard for your competitors to do reverse engineering, to understand your very beneficial algorithms and schemes and develop it themselves without high development effort. Protecting production data is becoming more and more important in networked and flexible automation systems. Feature on demand is something that enables, that creates new business models for you. If you are selling a machine, a device, you can later on create after-sales revenues by selling additional features and functions of this device at a later stage. Access control by authentication to the system, access control for service technicians to use specific functions in your embedded device is another important point. And integrity protection, that's the part where we help to make sure that the software in the embedded system cannot be manipulated. So this is done by code signing and all these steps, checking the signatures from secure boot to the application against a chain of certificates. This is our solutions. So you see from the left our CodeMeter Act license. This is a software-based protection and licensing, so you need no hardware from Wibu-Systems, and you can bind the license information to a fingerprint of your target system. And that binding can be developed by you yourself. And all the other components on this slide is our hardware-based solution, which stores secret and private keys with a high security level in a smart card chip. They are optionally equipped with SLC flash memory for data storage. and they can also store licenses from multiple vendors for up to 6,000 different licenses. Further, here many operating systems are supported, from mobile platforms to embedded industrial PCs to desktop PC servers to the cloud finally. So here you see some of our customers. So they are coming from many different areas: medical equipment, industrial automation, automotive, and so on. Many of the names you might know, and they are very well known in the world. So thank you very much so far for the first part. I would pass now to Rüdiger for the CodeMeter solution demonstration. So thanks a lot.
So I also like to welcome you